Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today we will read an essay about coronavirus. Let's get started. Coronavirus is an infectious disease which causes illness in the respiratory system of the humans. It is the new virus that is impacting the whole world badly as it is spreading primarily through contact with the person. COVID-19 was first identified during December 2019 in Wuhan city of China. In March 2020, World Health Organization declared the COVID-19 outbreak a pandemic. COVID-19 is now a cause of large number of deaths across the world. Till now, no proper drug or vaccine has been developed for treatment of this disease. However, clinical trials and research is being carried on for the development of vaccine. It spreads from person to person among those in close contact. The virus spreads by respiratory droplets generated from the cough or sneeze of COVID-19 patient. COVID-19 symptoms can be very mild to severe. Some people have no symptoms. The most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, and breathing problem. Apart from these, symptoms like fatigue, sore throat, muscles pain, loss of taste and smell can be seen. To prevent ourselves from COVID-19, we should wash hands regularly with soap or sanitizer. Avoid unnecessarily outing on public places. Maintain a distance of at least 5-6 feet from a sick person. Maintain proper hygiene and cleanliness. Cover your mouth and nose. Wear mask at public places. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos subscribe my channel. Thank you.